Welcome back to the channel, everyone. As the air starts to crisp up and the leaves turn into a kaleidoscope of autumn colors, it's the perfect time to embrace the season and bring that cozy, inviting fall feeling into your home. Today, we're diving into the heart of fall decor with 5 stunning farmhouse-inspired ideas that will transform your space into a warm, welcoming retreat. Whether you're a longtime farmhouse decor enthusiast or just dipping your toes into this charming style, these ideas will spark your creativity and help you elevate your fall decor game. So, grab your favorite fall drink, get comfy, and let's get inspired together. Fall and farmhouse decor go together like pumpkins and spice, they're just meant to be. There's something inherently cozy and comforting about farmhouse style, and when you add the rich textures and colors of autumn, it creates a truly magical atmosphere. In this video, we'll explore 5 standout decor ideas that will make your home feel like a picturesque farmhouse tucked away in the countryside, no matter where you live. From rustic touches to classic fall accents, these ideas are all about embracing the season in style. Let's start with one of the most iconic symbols of fall, pumpkins. But we're not just talking about any pumpkins. We're talking about creating a pumpkin porch display that will be the envy of the neighborhood. Imagine a cascading collection of pumpkins in various sizes, shapes, and colors, artfully arranged on your front porch steps. Mix in some mums, cornstalks, and rustic wooden crates to add height and dimension. For a true farmhouse touch, consider painting some of the pumpkins in muted shades of white, gray, or even sage green to complement your decor. This simple yet stunning display sets the tone for your entire home and instantly makes it feel like fall. Nothing says cozy farmhouse like layers of soft, textured textiles, especially as the temperatures begin to drop. In the living room, drape a chunky knit throw over your sofa and add a mix of patterned and solid pillows in rich fall colors. Think warm tones like burnt orange, deep burgundy, and mustard yellow. These not only add comfort but also infuse the space with seasonal color. For your bedroom, switch out your summer bedding for heavier fabrics like flannel or wool. Add a quilt with a vintage-inspired pattern or a plaid blanket at the foot of the bed for that classic farmhouse look. Don't forget to layer area rugs to add warmth and interest underfoot. These touches create a space that invites you to curl up with a good book and a cup of tea. Your dining table is the perfect canvas for showcasing your farmhouse style, especially during the fall season. Create a stunning fall tablescape that blends rustic charm with seasonal elegance. Start with a natural linen table runner as your base, then layer on the fall magic. Use a mix of vintage-inspired dishes, such as white stoneware or distressed ceramics, and pair them with wooden chargers or woven placemats. Add seasonal touches like small pumpkins, gourds, and sprigs of eucalyptus as your centerpiece. For a truly farmhouse feel, incorporate mason jars as candle holders and fill them with candles in fall scents like cinnamon or apple. Complete the look with a mix of brass and wood accents to tie everything together. This tablescape is perfect for everyday use or for hosting a cozy fall dinner party. A well-crafted wreath is a quintessential fall decor item, and when done in farmhouse style, it adds a beautiful, rustic touch to your home. Opt for a wreath made from natural materials like grapevines, burlap, and dried wheat. Add pops of fall color with faux or dried flowers, berries, and leaves. You can even incorporate small wooden signs with charming fall phrases like Welcome Fall or Harvest Blessings. Hang your wreath on your front door to greet guests with autumn warmth, or use it indoors above a mantel or on an interior door. Wreaths are a simple yet impactful way to bring the season into your home, and their handcrafted feel is perfectly in line with farmhouse decor. If you're enjoying these farmhouse fall decor ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all things home decor, seasonal inspiration, and so much more. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite fall decor idea or how you plan to decorate your home this season. I love hearing your thoughts and ideas, and your support means the world to me. Now that we've covered these 5 stunning fall farmhouse decor ideas, let's put it all together and take a virtual tour of what your home could look like with these seasonal touches. Picture walking up to your home, greeted by a beautifully decorated porch with a pumpkin display that's bursting with autumnal charm. As you step inside, the cozy textiles in the living room invite you to relax, with warm colors and soft layers that make the space feel like a true sanctuary. The dining table is set for fall, ready to host family and friends for a meal surrounded by rustic elegance. The wreath on the door adds a welcoming touch, perfectly complementing the seasonal vibes throughout the home. And, of course, the mantel serves as a stunning centerpiece, drawing your eyes and making you feel right at home. While these ideas provide a great foundation, the beauty of farmhouse decor is its flexibility and personalization. Don't be afraid to add your own unique touches to these ideas. Incorporate family heirlooms, DIY projects, or items collected from your travels. Personalization is what makes a house a home, and in farmhouse style, it's those little imperfections and cherished items that add character and warmth. Finally, let's talk about the focal point of many living rooms, the mantel. Your mantel is the ideal spot to create a stunning fall farmhouse display. Start with a base of natural elements like garlands made from eucalyptus or faux fall leaves. Layer in wooden candlesticks of varying heights and finish them with cream-colored candles for a soft, warm glow. Add in rustic elements like a distressed wooden sign with a fall quote, vintage lanterns, or even an old window frame as a backdrop. For a pop of color, incorporate pumpkins, gourds, and berries. If you have a fireplace, stack some firewood in a woven basket nearby to add to the rustic charm. This mantel display will not only make your living room feel cozy and inviting, but also serve as a beautiful focal point for your fall decor. As we wrap up today's video, I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to bring these stunning fall farmhouse decor ideas into your home. There's something so special about decorating for fall. It's a season of warmth, comfort, and gathering, and your home should reflect that. By incorporating these farmhouse-inspired elements, you can create a space that not only looks beautiful but also feels welcoming and cozy, perfect for the autumn months ahead. Remember, the key to great decor is not just in following trends, but in creating a space that makes you happy and comfortable. So, take these ideas and make them your own, mix and match, add personal touches, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Fall is a season to be enjoyed, and your home is the perfect place to celebrate its beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more home decor inspiration and tips. Give this video a like if it helped you, and leave a comment below with your favorite idea or how you plan to decorate your home this fall. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.